Is your bank still making you jump through hoops just to manage your own money? Think about it. We use our phones for everything else, streaming, shopping, communicating, so why should banking be any different? Direct mobile banking apps have completely revolutionized how we handle our finances, turning frustrating trips to the branch into simple taps on a screen. Today, we're diving into the absolute best features that make popular direct mobile banking apps a must-have, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. First up is the feature that changed the game, mobile check deposit. Seriously, no more racing to the ATM or the branch before closing. Just snap a photo of the front and back of your check, hit deposit, and you're done. It's fast, secure, and lets you get on with your life. Next, let's talk about advanced security measures. Because nothing is more important than protecting your money. The top apps use cutting-edge technology like biometric logins, that's Face ID or fingerprint scanning, along with multi-factor authentication. Plus, many offer the ability to instantly lock and unlock your debit card right in the app. Lost your card? Lock it. Found it in the sofa? Unlock it. Total control in your hands. Feature number 3 is all about your spending habits, personalized budgeting, and insights. The best apps don't just show you your balance, they help you manage it. They automatically categorize your transactions, show you exactly where your money is going, and even give you personalized tips to help you save more. It's like having a free financial advisor in your pocket. Finally, we have seamless payments and transfers. This covers everything from instant, free peer-to-peer payments to friends, to easily automating bill payments, and setting up recurring transfers to your savings. It's about making money movement effortless, whether it's across the street or across accounts. When you combine these features, the convenience of remote deposit, the confidence of top-tier security, the power of personal financial management, and effortless payments, you realize you're not just using a banking app. You're using a complete financial command center built for the modern world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.